All right, cue me in. 1, 2, 3.
Real deal.
Hey guys, welcome to the Real Deal. James? Yes, this is our family fun day. Say hi, Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Shanae and Shania, say something.
Hi.
Can't see your face. Say hi.
Hi.
So we're on our way. Cannot tell you where we're going because it's a treat for the kids and we're super excited. Where are we going, baby James? We're going on an adventure. Absolutely right. So this is the Real Deal and Max. This is our family missing one. What happened? Oh, sorry, my seatbelt. Yeah, I just definitely want to be safe, guys. And we're missing one person, our oldest. We're going to meet up with her now, and we're going to see you soon. Right, Mia?
Yep.
Hey, James. We are here. How do you guys feel? Oh, you're nervous? Why are you nervous? Well, we're gonna see. What about you, baby James? You're nervous going to the zoo? Why? Don't be nervous.
Okay, so we are headed.
Alright folks, please give us a big round of applause as they come to their second stop. Now there are 6 species of flamingos found throughout the world, and the Caribbean is the second largest and most broadly colored. But all flamingos we get their coloration from their diet. In the wild, they feed on small organisms that contain a red carotenoid pigment, similar to beta-carotene found in carrots. Without this pigment in their diet, their new fins turn white instead of pink.
Okay, what are we doing now? I didn't even pay attention.
You wasn't paying attention.
No.
Alright, let's go this one more time. So when you bring the boards around, you're going to spin your best fluid pose, just one leg up, and spread your arms out. No chicken poses, no chicken pose. Remember, the audience is judging you guys.
Pigeon pose.
No pigeon poses. A fluid pose. Alright, now, you're up front next. Alright, this is the flag. You guys can do your pose as well. What's going on? Let's take action. Alright, audience, let's get
Yeah.
right into how they're doing. Alright, gonna put you guys in there.
A 10.
Okay, so his tongue is out. Hold on. Oh, yeah, man. Shut up. Okay. JJ, okay, so look here. JJ, look here. JJ, look behind you. So how y'all know this is safe? Oh, God. Okay, hold on. James, that's your son. I'll record you.
No, I have camera.
JJ, so, oh, God. Look at him. Honey, come in front. You could, oh, yeah, but, oh, I don't know if I want my baby. Touch it. He's not even scared. Oh, my God.
So this is Lily. She's a Bahamian
He is not even scared.
I can't see the girl. That's a JJ.
Oh, my God. Hold on. Wait. Honey, how come you letting you?
And mommy.
Yeah, did you see it?
Look. See that snake?
Why on the side of the snake?
I'm getting every single part of it.
You sound happy to get it though.
It's safe on this side. But Lily's non-venomous though, so.
She's very tame. So look at it.
Can you get? Can you put it there? See you right here, right?
No, No, they eat once a week.
Once a week?
Which day?
Monday.
Oh, sure. You might have to come on a Monday.
Almost Monday again.
Yeah, that means you can already be hungry. It's blue now. Oh.
You see everything?
Yeah, sure can.
You see that? Are you afraid?
Oh, hold on, keep it right there. Yeah, it's the agility for me.
And then you get a little close.
You can put it down.
Oh, you want to put your feet more?
She just put it down. What the hell?
Rest it down.
Oh, you want to see it more?
Oh, no, don't rest it down because you want
Yeah, it ain't gonna be in your hand no more. You said very slow.
Put him down. See what he's gonna do.
Let me just.
No, not really.
No, yeah,
Whoa. Very slow.
oh, why you come close to me?
Put the head away from one to another frame. You call that slow? Yep. That's right.
Careful, watch it for the tiger.
Wow. Look at the bunny.
All right.
Let me get in the side right here.
Couple more seconds. You can
And
calm.
then,
It's okay.
okay, Bubs. Don't worry, Bubs.
He's scared. You can pet him right on the back. Can you see that?
Braver than Jamie.
Little girl.
And Jimmy, yeah? And Cherise.
Sharice was speaking in tongues with the snake.
You're so brave, James.
You got a shot? You got a photo of him? You know his name, man.
To get a good coverage.
I just think of curry goat.
Why are you?
Oh, sorry, no, I know, I don't know.
I'm getting this.
Hold on, lower. Oh my God, you're so brave. You catch his finger. Oh my God, don't touch his mouth.
Watch your finger.
Oh my goodness.
You have such a good dog tonight.
Oh, Baba, stop.
What happened?
Good job, James. Good job.
Smart boy.
I thought you was between small fruit.
He's on the
The
phone.
difference between girls and boys.
Okay, look at him. You catch that
I'm sorry, I don't have any food over here.
Yeah, sorry, JK, just a camera.
Oh, that's another dog.
What is this? Dog. I'm beautiful. My husband told me the same thing. Oh my goodness. How you doing? How was your day? You're so smart. You understand me? Yes, he's talking. Hi, this is Baby Jane. Say hi, Baby Jane. Do any of the pirates talk back to you? Can you experience that? Can you talk to them? Okay, he walked in.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. I don't want you to come. No. No. Stay. Stay. Just to say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Tell everybody hello.
This one time. Hey, with your baby.
You want to touch everything.
I never seen no baby
You
ones.
can touch everything.
Oh, I did not know they could fly.
You can fly. Fly. No, I thought that they were for free.
My boy.
What's this saying? Look at this walk. Everyone ready? Everyone say real deal. 1, 2, 3.
Real deal.